Hello traders and investors. A very warm welcome to Capital via Global Research Limited. Let's have a short recap of Nifty the last week. Nifty April future series began this week on a negative note and continued to trade negatively. And after crossing its 200-day simple day moving average, it plunged to the level of 8,136.8. Nifty futures gave a closing at 8,244.05. So the weekly net loss was around 75 points. The major event in the upcoming week to look forward is the result of some of the major companies like Hindustan Unilever, Oriental Bank, Adani Ports and Dabur, wherein the automobile sales data is also there. So this can also decide the direction for Nifty. Apart from that, there is a discussion going on in the Lok Sabha for GST. So a clear direction on that will also guide the Nifty. In near term, I feel that Nifty may find some positiveness, and if it is able to cross this level of 8,350, then it may certainly surge to the level of 8,500 and can certainly test the level of 8,600, wherein the support for Nifty is going to be 8,100 and the major support is going to be of 8,000. In stocks, my recommendations is going to be for Federal Bank. The stock is kind of consolidating near its resistance, and if it crosses its resistance, then there is a good possibility that the stock can give an up rally. So I would like to suggest that one can enter into a long position in Federal Bank and can buy the stock above 134 with a stop loss of 131 and the target of 137 and 139. For commodity, Naveen will continue.
Thank you, Vivek. In MCX, for next week, my recommendation is silver. Silver MCX July future is looking bearish on charts, and there is a very good level of 36,000. If it will break this level, then traders can sell below this level with the stop loss of 36,300 and for the target of 35,500 and 35,100. In agri commodities, for my recommendation is castor seed. Castor seed May contract is looking bearish. In the coming week, one can go for sell on higher level strategy. If it sustains below this level, below the level of 3,500, then one can go for sell below this level for the target of 3,350 and 3,200 with the SL of 3,600. Now about currency market. For the next week in currency market, JPY INR May future is looking strong on charts. Last week we have seen that JPY INR bounced from its support level and sustaining above its level 53.31. For the next week, if JPY INR sustains above the level of 54.23, then it can test the level of 54.91 and 55.68. One can go for buy from lower level strategy in it. Thank you and happy trading week.